Retired army generals and senior civil servants have issued a stern warning to President Mnangagwa, parliamentarians and state coffer, parasitic business persons who are pushing for the mutilation of the constitution through Cap 3. Zarabina mashu kubuda pangwa ine chonokwa kunzizvada kwa manje. Don't go subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timida pa hendo ya mawarire amulanyira chiti. In a scathing letter signed by their representatives, retired Air Marshal Mchena, the generals issued warning of unspecified actions on those pushing and supporting Cap 3. The generals also registered disquiet over the flippant disregard of the constitution and constitutionalism shown by President Mnangagwa in the meetings the generals had with him on the 18th and 19th of May 2026. The general said that AD showed a disregard of the constitution consistent with a dictator who believes his wishes are law. The generals now have no doubt the president is behind the blatant efforts being made to throw millions of dollars into the legal process. They further argue that the parliamentary consultations and the debate starting today are choreographed processes, dancing to the tune called out by ED and Tagurei on the back of a $31 million pledge that has been availed to buy votes for the unconstitutional changes. They allege that each MP has been promised $50,000 to vote for the unconstitutional amendments. They further allege that even the party process was rigged, with the party provincial chairpersons bribed with the Land Cruisers LC300 series, $100,000 for each of the 10 chairpersons. The generals concluded by encouraging every Zimbabwean to be on the correct side of history and reaffirming their commitment to Zimbabweans and loyalty to the values of the liberation struggle. Clearly, the battle lines have been drawn, and it is apparent that a shadow between the president and his acolytes on one side and the generals on the other. In Mai Chisamba's words, chinenge chachuka chikakwata. Doma developments anobuda nyika pangwa ino. Pinakoma section mendo za figura enyi motu kudipa msalabe chitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.